The birds don't seem so happy. Yeah, like...
He's like right in front of the boat.
Oh God. Do not poop on me. They're not gonna shit on me. Well, I don't really want to take that one for the team. Oh my God!
Shit on you?
Yes! Damn it, Josh! Yes, there's shit on the back of my shoulder. You better catch a fucking fish. You better catch a fish. That's not even funny. Josh, look at my shoulder. There's bird shit on my shoulder. I just said. Damn it, Josh. You put that out there in the universe. This is that bullshit I'm talking about.